Welcome again and thanks for joining us for the program. I hope you all are doing fine wherever you are watching in the world right now. Much respect and much love goes out to you. This is Links WSM TV. Let's talk. And this is the place where you get the best in local and international updates. So it was a sad day this week for the friends, family, and well wishers of the internet star himself, Bawdacat, after he lay his common law wife to rest. A number of people turned out just in order to pay their respect to this individual and his common law wife, who was deemed a prominent figure on the program as well. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time I post new videos over here. We'll be right back after this break with the details of this to come on the program. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Well, this week was a sad day for the internet sensation himself, Bawdacat, after he laid Maamz to rest. Now, many of you would have known Maamz from the program that was previously hosted on the popular social media platform YouTube, and sad to say, Maamz passed away in December after ailing for some time. Now, Bawdacat is no stranger to the whole social media fanatic after he broke on the scene some years ago and has been doing his thing ever since with his own platform right now that has gravitated and cemented himself as a household name not only on the local scene but on the international basis as well. But it's very sad to see that his common law wife passed away, and she was actually laid to rest sometime during the course of this week. I knew that a whole lot of people would have wanted to turn out to pay their respect and just to give him that level of support that he would have needed during this difficult time. But due to the whole onset of the pandemic of the coronavirus, this was limited to just a few people who turned out just in order to pay their respect. In a previous video I did, Bawdacat was at the graveside during the process of the building and digging of the grave, and he became very emotional. Now, Maamz and Bawdacat, they have been going in a relationship for a number of years, and Bawdacat has stated that this female was actually his soulmate after they shared so much fun memories together. And it's like a terrible loss to Bawdacat. And it just goes to show you how when you have that bond with someone and you have that level of intimacy and you have that level of likeness for each other, this is what happened when one of the party passed away. And I can tell you, I can just imagine what Bawdacat is going through at this difficult time. But the good thing that I see in all this is that his family and his supporters, they stood with him right throughout this entire process, and they gave him that level of support that he would have needed just in order to pull through this one. Now we're gonna give you just a snap of what transpired at the funeral service of Maamz and just what Bawdacat had to say to the people that turned out in order to pay their respect, and also those that are watching online. So let's go over to that. Bawdacat.
Yeah, man, nice when I turn up. Thanks so much for here with me.
Maamz.
So may I say?
Right now.
So as me say, thanks again for no here with me. One more time again, people. Thanks again. Yeah? This way I go on now is all about me, Maamz, Katie, and Elaine. You see me I say? So right now, me have to tell them say, whenever go on for auntie, we go on for them. You see me I say? So you don't know, say Bawdacat is here with them like a father and I go stand up like a mother took her. Right now they're motherless. So you saw me I say, and me and them and to the end and with Mama Ilia now. She's like a mother to me, she's like a grandmother to me, she's like a sister to me. She's a part of my life when me lose her. Me lose a whole heap of things. You see what I say? So me just have to take my time and go and build back myself and know I say life gone, but memories live on. You see what I say? So all my people them, when I just know say what we have to do is give thanks and give praises unto the Most High and love each other as blessed love.
Them carry you and put over your little resting place, you know.
Well, there you have it. That was Bawdacat himself sharing in the memorial service of Maamz, who passed away recently in December of last year. And I can tell you, I can just see Bawdacat trying to maintain his composure as he paid tribute to his common law wife. Now, those in attendance also took the time out just to share their love and their support for Bawdacat at the funeral service. And those in attendance, I could recognize a number of people as well, including Sean as well, who is a popular figure from the Bawdacat program, which would have been there throughout this entire thing with Bawdacat, from his stardom to him becoming a household name in Jamaica. And it's a very sad moment right now for the family and friends of Bawdacat. And her name is Pauline, that's Mom's real name. But I can tell you that it's gonna be a difficult time for Bawdacat. And despite what is going on, I know that he will be able to pull through this, even though it's gonna take some time. But the healing process starts now, and this is one of those things that really left people to imagine and just reflect on life, to let you see how life is very precious, and it's one of those things that need to be celebrated. And that's just the fact that whenever you wake up in the morning, you live to see another day. Most of the time, people forget that life is such an important part of our daily aspect, and without life, you're like nothing. So we need to put more value on life. And when we look on what is going on around the world right now, this is the time where we need to just focus and try our very best to do the good things that we can in the short space of time that we have, because we don't know what the future holds. And with the spate of things that are going on around the world now, life is unsure for all of us. So we have to make use of that moment that we have, that special bond that we share with that individual. Now is the time to make the best use of it, because you don't know the minute or the hour when some unforeseen circumstances can just happen, and then you're no longer a part of this universe. This is where we're gonna leave this one here for now. Just want to say much respect goes out to Bawdacat, much love, and we hope that he just continue to just maintain his composure and just try his very best to deal with the situation, even though it's gonna be difficult, and it's gonna be one of those moments when he's gonna have flashback of memories that he shared with his common law wife. But much love goes out to you, the viewers. Thanks for watching as always. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. And this is the place where you can be with us here on Links 007 TV. So much love goes out to you as always. So have a blessed and productive week from the Links TV family. This is where we say so long for now. Peace out and bless.